Yo, what just happened? My bike just died for no fucking reason. It's not the chain. The chain's still there. What happened, Z? Dude, that was fucking weird. What the fuck was that? Yo, that was fucking wild. Oh, I thought the chain broke, but then I could affect the bike with the gas. Oh, it's this fucking kickstand switch? Where's my kickstand switch? Well, here goes nothing. I can put it in gear. I'm just gonna go right home. You know what? No, I gotta go home. I can't, like, go further from home like this. At least my clutch is well adjusted now, because that's one of the things I tried. Okay, so I'm a human being and I make mistakes. And well, when I did the chain, took the front sprocket cover off so I can inspect the front sprocket, make sure that the messed up chain didn't mess up the sprocket. Yeah, I'm putting the cover back on. It seemed like it was going too easy. Because of course putting the front sprocket cover on this bike is a little fiddly because there's a bunch of wires and drain tubes. Speaking of wires, I put one of the little bundles of wire in between the sprocket cover and the case. So it lasted until I was up to speed, obviously, as you saw a moment before. Wires finally cut, the ground wire rubbed through. So the house I had just stopped in front of, I went up and asked if I could use their tools. They let me. I needed a 4mm Allen, a fairly narrow 8mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. That's what I needed. Used those to take the cover off, found the cut wires, cut them apart, went back in their garage and found some wire strippers, which is great because fooling around stripping those wires with my pocket knife would have been a pain. Wrapped them around each other and zip tied them up somewhere so I could get to them again. The bike cuts out, I can reach down and squeeze them together, which is, you know, sketchy shit. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures of the hack moto mechanic and the bike that secretly loves him. Funny.